this chapter. Please subscribe my channel for get new updates.
In the HTML language, there are different types of lists are used for show the data very easily and clearly. For example, if you want to show the data of the students in a school or college, then you can make a list in the HTML language. There are three types of list which is used in the HTML language. First is OL, like ordered list, which is created with OL pair tag. Second one is UL, like unordered list, which is created with UL pair tag. And the last one is DL, definition list, which is created with DL pair tag. We define list item with li tag. The every list is shown in between the li tag. Now we start with the discussion of ordered list. It has different type of numbering. We can declare the numericals in before the text like 1 to another numerical number. We also can show the small alphabets like ABC, etc. Further, we can also show the uppercase alphabets and lowercase Roman numbers or uppercase Roman numbers. So these are the advantages of ordered list. We can choose any order for show our list in the ordered list. Now we start the discussion about unordered list. This is the second type of HTML list. This will create a list that uses bullets beside text as opposite to number or letter. We can define our list with the help of bullets. If you don't want any numerical or alphabetically number in between the list, then you can use the unordered list for show the bullets and other things in between the list. The li and ul tag require closing tag. The list and unordered list tag have a closing tag.
Now
You can
we
see
start
that
the
we
example
use a
of ordered
slash in
list in
between the
HTML
ul and
language.
li tag.
We can
So
show our
slash is
list in
show
a
the
numerical
closing tag.
order, lower
The
alphabet
li
order,
tag is used to
uppercase
assign the
alphabet order,
individual
and
items in the
lowercase
list.
Roman order.
We can show
So
only
you
one
can
thing
define
in
your
the
list by
list.
use
For
any
example,
attribute
if you want
from
to
the
show a
ordered list.
paragraph
For
or
make
a
your
break
list
tag
more
and
clarify
you also
and
want the
looking good,
unordered list, then it is not possible. We can
we
also
can
see the
declare only
example
one or
of
two
UL
text.
tag
Then we
in
can
the
use the
HTML
unordered
language.
list in
You
between
can
the
see that
text.
first attribute is disk. If you want to declare your list in the disk type, then your output will be shown like this. Further is square attribute, then the list is shown in the square type. You can see the example in this. Further is circle attribute. If you want that before the list the circle shape is shown, then you can use the circle type in the unordered list. Last one is none attribute. If you want that not any attribute is used in the list, then the none type is used in the ul tag. Further, we discuss the syntax of ol tag in the HTML language. Here is the example or syntax of ol tag in the HTML language. You can see that we use two pair tag HTML and body. Further, we start a OL tag. In the OL tag, we declare the type and the starting point of list. I declare the lowercase alphabet type A and I find that the list will start from the lowercase alphabet A. You can type any type in the OL tag. For example, you can write the Roman lowercase or uppercase letters, and you also can write the numericals as your requirement. So further, we start the list. In the list pair tag, we write three words: apple, mango, and orange. You can see the output of OL tag. Here is the output of OL tag. You can see that the text which is written in the list tag is shown as look like this. We also can see the syntax of UL tag in the HTML language. Here is a one difference between the OL and the UL tag. In the OL tag, we declare the starting point of the list, but here we don't need any starting point. So we use two pair tag HTML and body. Further, I start the UL type. UL type I declare the disk. Further, I start the list and write similar words: apple, mango, and orange. You can also see the output of UL tag, which is similar as you given the input to the UL tag. So here is the output of UL tag. You can see that before the list, the disk attribute is shown. So this is the enough to understand that what is a ordered list and what is the unordered list in the HTML.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for get new updates.